Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete DeepSeek account. So if you have been using DeepSeek but now you don't longer need it, or maybe for any other reason you want to permanently delete your account, so I'll show you the easiest way to do it. The first thing you have to do is open your DeepSeek app, and you also have to make sure that you're already logged in with your account. Once app gets open, you will get to this chat section. Then on the top left side, you will see two lines. You have to click onto these lines. And at the bottom, you will see your icon. Just simply click onto it. Now here you will see all these options. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on this last option, which is delete account. Once you click onto it, it will ask you that you really want to delete it. So you just have to click onto delete, and after that your account will be permanently deleted. One thing you have to understand that if you delete your all the chats and whatever you have searched on DeepSeek will permanently get deleted. Once the account gets deleted, it will also notify you with this pop-up that account deleted, and it will take you back to this login or sign up page. So that's how you can delete your DeepSeek account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.